Yes, for our speakers today and yesterday, also, we hope they might be amenable to follow-up questions that the committee develops as we have a chance to absorb this information and get a better handle on how it can be applied to the report that the committee's been tasked to write. And on behalf of the National Academies, we do thank all of them for their presentations.
Yeah, and really in wrapping up the past day and a half workshop, again, committee would like to express its thanks to the speakers for their outstanding presentations and their hard work, and also thank the Academy staff for organizing really an excellent workshop. We have covered a lot of territory. Wow. And, you know, there were some really very interesting lessons in all of this. I think the discussion on spirometry and maybe the need for reanalysis and understanding lung function changes, the future of oscillometrics and looking at small airway function, an interesting area. Exposure assessment remains a big limitation in the epidemiology, and we heard about really exciting areas of satellite imaging, the silicone wristbands, and maybe even metabolomics as this unfolds. The diagnoses also remain of interest. The pathology of bronchiolitis, lots of discussion, and then CT in terms of just how sensitive it can be in looking at structure and function, and finally the ever ongoing search for the biomarkers will continue. So. Again, to reiterate what David said, we will incorporate lots of the lessons learned into the committee report, and this will be an important effort and an important component of the committee's final effort. So, thank everyone, and we will probably be back in touch.